Hi guys, in this video we're going to make the crossover type of RJ45 Ethernet cable. Safety reminder: be careful in handling the wire stripper and the crimping tool. It might cause accident or injury if not properly handled. Before we start, here are the things or materials that we need. First is we have this RJ45. This is how it looks. Next, the very important UTP cable. So this is a Cat5e UTP cable. Next is we have the crimping tool and a wire stripper. And lastly is the cable tester or LAN tester. So now let's start making the crossover. So first, we need to cut this UTP cable. This is how long we're gonna cut it. See the crimping tool, we're gonna cut it. In here, we will put this cable. So now, it's now cut. So this is. After we cut this, we need to peel each of its endings. We'll put this cable in the first hole. So, like this. And I'm gonna turn it to this wire stripper. Now, this is now slightly open. We're gonna pull it like this. The cable is already peeled. So as what we see, there are 4 pairs of twisted wires. So this is color orange, we have green, we have brown, and we have color blue. They're white wires on its side of each color. For example, the color orange. Here, the color white here is called white of orange. And the green is white of green. The color brown is white of brown. And the color blue is white of blue. Now, in making crossover, we need a pattern to be followed. So, this is our pattern. First, we're going to make this in this side. First is the white of orange. Next is orange, white of green, blue, white of blue, green, and white of brown and brown. We will focus in this side. So we will separate the wires according to the pattern. First is the white of orange. White of orange and orange. So next, the white of green. White of green. Then next is color blue. White of orange, orange, white of green, blue, white of blue, and color green. Next is the white of brown and brown. So white of orange, orange, white of green, blue, white of blue, green, white of brown, brown. Now we follow the pattern. Next, we need to arrange this into this. So now, it is now arranged accordingly. Next step, we need the RJ45 now. We must measure the RJ45 in the cable. It's needed that here, the last part must be at the level of in here, the window-like part of the RJ45, and it is needed that the top of the wires reached the gold-like pins in the RJ45 when we put this inside here, like that. So let's do this. So we'll put this in the RJ45 like this. Make sure so it fits in each slot, and push it so that it will reach to the top. That is what we see. Now here, so the color brown, it reaches the top, and the color white here also reaches the top. So we already saw the 8 colors of wires, the 8 wires. Next thing we must do is to crimp it using the crimping tool. We must put this like this. Make sure that the gold like pin is in the thick like part of the crimping tool. Next is we're going to exert some force and crimp it. So now we're done, and this side is now already crimped. Next is on the other side of it. Same process will be done. First we're going to peel the cable using a wire stripper. Turn it. So it is now like this. So it is still have 4 pairs of wires. The blue, white of blue, orange, white of orange, green, white of green, and brown, and white of brown. So this is the pattern that we will follow. Unlike the straight through, the opposite endings of the wire is not the same with the first one. So now we will follow first the white of green, green, white of orange, blue, white of blue, orange, white of brown, and brown. So now we'll arrange it accordingly. White of green, white of green, and green. Next is white of orange. White of orange, blue, orange, white of blue. So blue, white of blue. Then orange. Then white of brown and brown. This is the arrangement of the colors. We will arrange them so that they will close to each other. Now it will look like this. Make sure that it is still arranged according to the pattern. Next, need another RJ45. Let's measure that the last part of the cable as in the level of the window light part, the RJ45, which is here. And the wires must reach the top of the RJ45. So what we see, it has excess part. So we'll cut it using the crimping tool. When cutting, make sure that it is still in its arrangement. We'll put this here, like that. Now, it's now cut and it is now on the level. So we'll put this inside the RJ45. So what we see, you can see that color white here reaches the top, and the color brown here reaches the top and in here. After putting it inside, you must crimp it using the crimping tool. crimping the cables with the RJ45. Next, we will test it. So this is crossover because the pattern is not the same. So we'll test it in the cable tester. First, we will plug this in here. There are 3 outlets. Maybe this one is for RJ11. So we'll turn it on. So yes, unlike the straight through, it will not light or blink consecutively because it is crossover. It has different lighting because it is not the same. It did not follow the same pattern. So yes, the crossover cable that we did is successful. So that's all. Thank you for watching.